Hey, this is Matt. What I'm going to do in this series, a fun, friendly, relaxed series, is step you through each of the applications that I've built for the tutorials that I've written for Twilio. Okay, mostly that I've written for Twilio, perhaps also for tutorials that I've written on my own site as well. Each video is going to be about 5 to 10 minutes long, I think at a guess, where I'll give like a little bit of a background, kind of like a rapid summary of why the application's built, a bit about how it works, and then just step through using it so that you get an idea of what to expect, which is oftentimes easier than in a text tutorial with a handful of screenshots. If it's an API, then I'll use probably Postman or curl. If it's a web-based app, then I'll just use my favorite browser of choice, Firefox, or maybe one of the others, Chrome, Safari, Brave, who knows? Anyway, that's what this series is about. I hope you like it. If you follow my tutorials, thank you very much for following them and the support. I hope that you will get a lot out of this series and that they will make the tutorials that much more meaningful. And I'll see you next time.